The third RDX goes ahead another Acura selective stage that is both lighter and stiffer, and with another 2.0-litre turbocharged motor associated with a 10-speed programmed transmission. Acura is restoring the RDX to its turbocharged, super taking care of roots and gifting it a buff, attractive new body and a great inside with an all-new infotainment framework controlled by a touchpad. Its all-piece of operation make Acura not boring again, a term we simply compensated for the brand's endeavor to make a more engaged lineup with sexier interest than in the current past. The NSX supercar was the primary case of turning another leaf. The RDX will be the principal volume item to get the light. Not at all like Lexus remote touchpad controller, which rather works more like a PC control cushion where clients flick a cursor-like symbol around a show. The Acura framework is, basically, a remote touchscreen. Having attempted the framework for ourselves, we can state that it works much superior to Lexus' disappointing setup. Acura likewise has limited how much control function is taken care of on screen, something Lexus doesn't, restricting how profound one must infiltrate the show's menu structure to achieve normal infotainment errands. The atmosphere controls, for instance, have their own particular land underneath the screen and game expansive, simple to utilize physical catches and a committed LCD readout for temperature and fan settings. Whatever remains of the dashboard is rich, and the inside comfort even buoys over a lower stockpiling plate between the front seats. Accessible hardware incorporates Napa cowhide, wood trim, a head-up show, and a 16-channel, 710-watt L sound framework. Each 2019 RDX will have an all-encompassing sunroof as standard, alongside the Acura Watch group of driver help tech, on the ebb and flow RDX. This incorporates computerized crisis braking, versatile voyage control, and path-keeping help. Purchasers likewise will be offered blind-side observing, a 360-degree C camera, an installed Wi-Fi hotspot with a 4G LTE information association, and front and back stopping sensors. Acura even guarantees that a sportier A-spec trim level will be in dealerships from the get-go. Acura has bundled correspondingly engaging equipment underneath this canvas. A turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-4 motor mates to another 10-speed programmed transmission, the two things obtained from Honda's brilliant parts container. Yield figures still are imminent, yet in the Accord, this motor makes 252 strength and 273 pound-foot of torque. Those numbers would put the RDX in the thick of its four-chamber rivals, for example, BMW's X3 xDrive 30i, Audi's Q5 2.0T, and Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. While the active RDX's V6 delivered more power, 279 horses, it made less torque, 252 pound-foot, and had just 6 forward apparatuses to work with. We expect the new RDX will helpfully out-accelerate its ancestor, which rushed to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. Acura could go zany still and introduce the 306 HP adaptation of Honda's turbocharged 2.0-litre motor that powers the Civic Type R sooner or later. The 2019 Acura RDX will go on special amidst 2018.